Hi guys, welcome and thank you very much for joining me here on the YouTube channel IPO Market Watch. It's also Bull Market Watch if you are in my Discord. That's called Bull Market Watch. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you two things. One, the power of holding 1 year, and I'm still going to hold it longer, to be honest, because great companies, solid companies, and it's been proven. This isn't my opinion. This has been proven. You can check out all the great companies, look at their 10, 20-year lifespan. You'll see that the stocks only end up going higher, right? The stocks only end up going higher if it's a great company, and there's plenty of them. So I'm going to show you one great company trading at under 10 bucks. Here, I'll give it away. If you know, they make Advil. If you ever used Advil and many other medications that they don't just make just Advil, but Advil is very famous for one of the top products, and it's trading under 10 bucks, guys. It is okay. You can't judge it just under 10 bucks. Okay, I get it. I mean, you have to look at the market cap, you have to look at the shares outstanding. I get it, but it is cheap still. The valuation is cheap, and the earnings were awesome yesterday. All right, we'll get to it. All right, so we'll get to that, and then I'm gonna go and review for you real quick. An upcoming initial public offering. Before we get to those stocks, Affirm, guys, take a symbol AFRM. Called it a buy on July 29, 2024 in my Discord. If you want to join us, the link will be in the comment section below at $26.96, because I believe that the company is trading at a cheap price. Valuation seems good. It's a good company. I think in the times that we live in, more people would buy more often with buy now, pay later. And don't be surprised to see Affirm talk about some new AI capabilities in the future. So I can only see upside, in my opinion, and I do have a personal price target for this company, which may not even come true. I can't see the future, but I think that they can easily return back to 50, not this year, right? But 50 bucks, not this year. We are up, guys. Right now, it's at 28.13. So called it at 26.96, and that was on July 29, and we're already up. It's at 28.13. We are doing good with that. So the under $10 stock that I want to talk to you about is Haleon. Take a symbol HLN. $8.86. Guys, I'm not going to review it and analyze it for you in this video, because I've actually done a whole separate video dedicated just to HLN and nothing else. So watch that to learn everything about this company. So 8.86 last year, I called that a buy in 2023, April 2023, at $8.86, and I've been holding during that time. Today in pre-market right now, as I see HLN, it is at 9.27. So we're up on that. Awesome. I know. Okay, fine. The gain might not be so big, and I've been holding since last year, basically over a year now, right? But you know what? It's, you can't have every single trade that you make a day trade. You're gonna go broke. At some point in life, you got to get serious, and you got to think about your future, because life is not about just today. All right. So, when you think about the future, you look at trying to buy good companies. What you build now for your future is going to be the best investment you'll make, not the 1 million day trades you try to make and go broke.
We're all going to be rich!
Broke even!
So HLN, guys, at 9.27, doing well. Check it out if you want. You don't have to, but I think it is a good company. Now going to the IPO, guys, it is ticker symbol KAPA, and Kairos Pharma Ltd is the name of the company. Interesting, because it's a $4 IPO. You can find it on Webull on the IPO Center right now, and if you want, you can place a pre-order right now to lock in your at $4 to get this. It is going public on August 14, 2024, so you still have time. I'm not saying that you should, to be honest, because there are high risks with this, and now I'll get to them. The only way I would see this, to be honest, if I were to even try this, it would be for a day trade. personally speaking for me. Like if I were thinking about it, I would get in as a pre-order of $4 and sell on day one, $4.50, $5. That's perfectly fine, and I get out. Because it is just 1.5 million shares. The deal size is 6.2 million. Boston Securities used to be great for these things, but we don't know now. But the company, guys, it's a Los Angeles, California-based company, and they were founded to acquire and develop a portfolio of antibody and small molecule therapeutics for major cancer diseases. So when you hear founded to acquire a portfolio and develop it, usually that doesn't, I don't know, it's a red flag for me. It doesn't work out in the pharmaceutical world. Their whole pipeline, guys, is based on cancer treatments, and I hope they succeed because obviously that's going to help people. But most of their pipeline is preclinical, which means that will take years. We have some 2 towards phase 1, and then just 1 in the early stages of phase 2. Financials, there's really not much to look at. Other than that, like I said, that I would treat KAPA only if I were, I'm not saying that I would, but if I were, as a pre-order and sell on day 1. That's the only way I would do that. And that's it, guys. That's it. One more thing about my Discord, besides, don't join the Discord just to see what I buy. I mean, that's one thing that you can do. That's one of the things that are offered in my Discord. You can view what I buy, and you are alerted by me what I buy instantly the moment I do it. But there's also tools, which is actually more important than anything, that you have access to 17 powerful trading tools that will make you and will help you, guys, I should say. They will help you become a better trader. One of the tools offered is Dark Pool, and I like Dark Pool. From time to time, I'm able to make money off of it because I can find opportunities. 2 weeks ago, I found in the Dark Pool that there was, because the buy and sell orders in the Dark Pool come in live, and I see live. I mean, I'm literally looking in front of my eyes. $44 million buy in Herbalife, ticker symbol HLF, at $11.17. I go over to Webull, I type HLF, I'm looking at it, it's at $11.17. I'm thinking 44 million bucks. What's going on? I see that the earnings are coming up. They were yesterday. I was like, okay. I told my Discord members, I told everybody, you know what? 44 million bucks Dark Pool buy for HLF at 11.17. They must know something because earnings are coming up in next week. So I'm going to buy based off of that. I'm going to buy. And I sold yesterday HLF at 12.50 at 11.17 due to the Dark Pool. Got in, bought and sold at 12.50 within a week. Guys, that was like a 10-11% gain. Awesome. So that's one tool. There's other tools like Quant Alerts, there's Halts, there's Golden Sweeps, Unusual Options, all sorts of things. All right, guys, I wish you guys all the best and take care.